Okay, this is a very quick video to show how something happens and explain, excuse me, what's going on. So here on my monitor you see this piece of Verilog. Maybe you can read it, maybe you can't. Really all I'm doing is if my button is pushed, then it will count on the counter. So right now we see that power is on, I've connected, but I have not yet downloaded the code. So let's download the code. So we see power's on and my LEDs are out. Now I'm going to turn off the lights and I'm going to come over here and I'm going to press my button and tick tick tick, but what you see is that LED over there on the far left is on, just barely. So what the heck is going on there, right? I've asked this in a couple of my other videos. Why is the LED that I'm not using got this leakage on it? And what has happened is I've checked with an oscilloscope, and you know, there's no waveform going through there. There's current going through it. It's a DC level. And what Hamster told me is you come over here in ISE. So up here we've got our project highlighted so that we've got our place and route and implement design and synthesize already there. You come to the one that says generate programming file. You right click. You choose process properties. Come over here to configuration options, and here's a block for unused IOB pins. They're default pull down. So on the Opal Kelly board, these LEDs are pulled up to rail, so the way you light them is to set a low. Well, if they're pulled down through a big resistor, well then there's a leakage path. And you notice if I had them all done, you'd see them lighting at different levels. So we changed this to, in my case, your choices are pull down, pull up, or float. I don't like having voltage out on pins, even if it is really high resistance type stuff, so I'm going to go to float and apply it and say OK, and then we have to rerun the implementation, or the generate phase, and we'll give that a second here, or 3 or 5. It amazes me sometimes how slow this seems to be and other times how fast it seems to be. So we'll download the new code into the FPGA, and I'll turn off my lights so we can see. And now we see that none of those lights are lit. They're all off. Most excellent. So that solves that problem, and if anybody else is having that problem out there, that nifty little thing will tell you to fix that. So there we go. Bye.